we got us another nice coyote here today. We showed you that nice pail I caught the other day. They've been using this trail here. I came in here the first day and checked it. I had a coyote track right on it. Didn't bother me though, because I knew he was gonna come back. So I wiped out the track and I just took a little pebble, a little piece of dirt, and I put it where its track was to guide it over. And we came back here today and we got this nice dog. It looks to be a young dog. He's got some frost on his back, but real nice Montana Coyote. Just another situation working this gully right here on this nice ranch. That tree, which is a focal point up here, it's only about 300 yards, but these animals are working down through here, coming down in here, chase rabbits, things of that nature, and we got ourselves another really nice Montana Coyote. This Remake here, we got Ricochet, that's Paul's dog, his trapping partner, really cool dog. Comes out here with us every day, but you got this wheel line here, as I said, the cattle are using it, you can see the tracks in it, but the coyotes are going to work down through here. It's just a nice easy road right across this gulch right here, and we got ourselves another nice dog, as I showed earlier. I dug this back out, resetting these in the same catch circle that I catch the animal in. It doesn't matter, even if I had a skunk here or back east, a possum, something like that. I love all that scent. I love the disturbance. I think any critter, predator that comes by is going to come in and investigate that. And once we put some more bait down the hole here, they're going to be hungry, going right down in there after it. Make sure you get this packed in there tight as always. Get that in there as tight as you can to where there's no wobble around that trap. Really awesome location here. I definitely want to thank Paul again for having me come out here and basically jump set his whole line on them, giving me an opportunity to catch some of these Montana coyotes, giving me an opportunity to trap out here in the West, something I've always wanted to do, and I thank him for that. But just using, I actually grabbed that coyote had that rip, but I'm gonna use that as the backing. We're gonna get some more bait down in there. We're just using the mountain man. I'm putting it to the test all the way across the country this year, and it's coming through for me. Prairie dog, ground Angus, and some ground poultry down in the hole. We've caught coyotes in South Dakota on it. We've caught coyotes in Pennsylvania. We've caught coyotes now here in Montana and the Adirondacks in New York. So I couldn't be any happier with how that's performing. We're just going to cover that up. I don't need any lure. I probably didn't even need any bait here, quite honestly. When you get disturbance like this and you have coyotes urinating and scatting all over the set, I don't even think you need bait a lot of times. I'm throwing that in there just as an extra incentive. But any other predator, coyote, badger, fox, anything comes through here, they're going to come in and investigate it. If they're running along here, they're working down in here, we're going to hit them right there. I'm just going to leave that rock right there, kind of guide them in this way, give them a way to go in. Awesome. Another Montana yote. We're going to head on down the road and hopefully have some more.
Control predators on your land with a North American Trapper Coyote package. You'll get all of the trapping essentials needed to handle this elusive critter with an instructional DVD included to teach you the way. Get your coyote trapping box and more at NorthAmericanTrapper.com.